So we're back with some Asian taste testing. Yeah. It's part 2. And,
Alright, so let's start this off. What we left off with was, I say we do these because these are kind of big and I want to get up.
let's get the ones that look bad first.
No. Alright, let's do this. Okay, these are Hello Panda. Made in the USA. It says York. This product. I don't know. Okay, Mom. Alright, so we got little bags in there. I say we open one bag. Yeah, you're kind of mental.
Really? Alright.
Okay, so these are kind of like those other ones that I don't know where at. They have these little things and then they have, I'm guessing a strawberry flavor in it. Go ahead and do it. Honestly, I don't really like it. I don't like it.
I kinda do.
I don't like the strawberry flavor.
I think they're Oh.
What do you think, Deanna? Okay, now we got these. Oh, Corto. Potato Master Chef chili flavor. Okay, let's see where this came from.
Wait. I need a
It
drink.
says Australia, Canada. Okay,
I knew it. It was Gordon Ramsay.
it's not Gordon Ramsay just because it says Master Chef doesn't.
Hey guys.
Okay, so. Okay, these kind of look like.
Oh, it smells good. It smells like a fry.
It smells like a fry.
Yeah.
Honestly,
That's good. You know what? Hot fries without the spice.
do not taste like hot fries.
Oh.
I mean, it has a little bit of that chili flavor on it.
Tastes like fries with ketchup.
Some sweet fries.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh my god.
next thing we got
Oh, why me?
Because you're trash.
Are these-
It's fine.
these chili and lime coated peanuts. I was about to say nuts, but peanuts.
Put this back in.
Kaohsiung nuts. I think that's how you pronounce it. And these are from. Let's see where we can help. I can't really read all this. Okay, I want to say that it's from. I don't know, but it's from somewhere. It's Asian related. So yeah. What?
I feel like that's gonna be so.
Oh, it smells like that.
Say something there, guys. No. I want one.
Told you.
I want one.
Yep.
There you go.
It's so good.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, they're actually pretty good.
They're spicy.
They're not spicy.
I hate you. They're good.
See if you look right here. I kind of like cover the nut with something. But tastes good.
Yum.
Okay,
Oh, that's hot.
next thing we got are these Yang Yang.
It's not
Smooth.
eating.
I said Yang Yang, not Yin Yang. These cracker sticks with dip. So it's kind of like cheese and crackers. You know. I don't know. Okay.
Apple. Adrian, remember you said dill on the other one? We started laughing.
I don't know what you're saying. Tastes like Nutella.
The chocolate's very melty in your mouth.
That's Nutella.
And
Oh yeah.
it actually says some stuff on the stick, I believe.
Yep.
Excuse me.
Rabbit. And I don't know.
Next one.
You barely see them.
I want this one.
Next one we're gonna get is pop.
Okay, now I know
Poppies.
my older sister loves these. They're called Pocky, strawberry flavored. Like it's pretty much like that, but it's already on the stick. So yeah,
It's actually
that's what I said.
Huh?
I sold the thing.
I already did.
Oh.
Okay.
Yay!
Oh my god!
Okay, so after that little moment I just did.
That's so good. I tasted already.
Okay, now we're gonna taste it.
Tastes like strawberry. Like strawberry
It tastes good.
on a stick. Like chocolate strawberry. I don't know.
It's pretty smooth whenever you bite into it. I really do like the strawberry flavor to it.
Yep.
Now we're gonna try these. The Wayne, I've been seeing these. I don't even know what that says, but
We tried these on the other video.
these are
Marshmallows.
marshmallows with
Blueberry
gooey.
filling.
And I can't read anything, so I can't tell you. Oh god. Right. This is just nice. Can you guys read?
You're having trouble there, right?
It's not bad. It's pretty good.
Didn't get anything.
That's what it looks like inside. Just very squished up.
It just
Nice packaging.
Someone stepped on it.
who did?
Mm.
Someone who just said he
Okay,
did.
so I'm done with these. We'll probably have some more later. We're gonna move on to the next, my favorite
Hi,
ever right here. Favorite candy right there. Hi Chew. Sponsor me.
Yeah.
It's gonna happen. Okay. Nice. Okay, they have multiple flavors. I know that, but strawberry is my favorite.
This is how it looks. You know.
Okay, these. Take that.
See, this is how
Excuse
it
me.
looks, you know.
I warned y'all.
That's how it looks inside.
And the inside, yes. We already know.
It's white. With
Wait.
pink stuff. Did you already eat it?
I just realized we have a lot of strawberry stuff. These take forever to chew, so let's just get started on these. Choco baby.
Oh yeah, baby.
I don't like it.
I'm guessing it's chocolate.
Is it gum?
I can't stop.
I want to say. Okay, I want to say these kind of remind me of Tic Tacs. So I'm guessing they'll just be like little chocolate, little.
Okay.
I guess. Jesus!
God.
Oh my god! Okay, there we go.
Whoever fell
There you
into
go.
this.
Get some.
Okay.
I'm still chewing.
These are pretty small. Right. taste it. Ooh, mom. I almost spilled that.
Oh, look at my plate.
Just tastes like Hershey Kiss or Hershey's.
Yeah.
Okay,